Hey, good afternoon. I've got Charlo, Rowdy, Dakota with me. I'm going to bring Charlo home, take Rowdy and Dakota for a walk. Paisley is getting groomed, which is nice. And yeah, just, it was a nice, cool, warm, weather was just perfect today. Currently 73, so I'm happy. It's going to be a quick video. I still got to send out invoices, bunch of stuff I didn't get to do because I was painting the bathroom yesterday. So there you go. Same stuff, different day, but I'm going to tell you that I appreciate you watching. And it's kind of a short video, but say hey to my dad, and as always, see you on the next one.